know our animals. Uncle Rathan, look children, this is a tiger. It's a wild animal. The tiger is our national animal. It's big. Do you know what our national bird is? It's the peacock. Peacocks and tigers live in forests. They are beautiful.
Sandeep, what other animals are there in the forest, uncle?
Uncle Rathan, lions, leopards, bears, deer, rabbits, elephants.
Shyama, is the elephant a wild animal?
Uncle Rattan, elephants are wild animals. We tame them sometimes. Cats, goats, dogs, cows, and buffaloes are domestic animals. Hens and ducks are domestic birds.
Meera, what about parrots, uncle?
Uncle Rathan, some people keep them as pets, but it's not good to keep birds in cages.
Meera, why not?
Uncle Rathan, freedom is the greatest thing in life. Would you like to be shut up in a room?
How would you answer Uncle Sam's last question?